No, it is April, and it is time for Marvel's Collector's Corp. And yes, it is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. I'm Adrian. This is Rambo.
I'm Kevin.
There's Gavin. We're getting ready to unbox our Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2.
Our trusty dusty knife.
Trusty dusty knife. Is everybody looking forward to seeing it in the theaters? I'm looking forward to seeing it in the theaters. I enjoyed the first one. I love the soundtrack for the first one. We even got it on vinyl. And as we open up the box, we have Groot.
Okay. So we have, as usual, we have weird messages. Not as usual.
Weird stuff popping up on screen.
Okay. We have our patch.
So, as with always, Marvel, as well as the DC box, come with patch and pin in every box, and it's just hit the floor, so I had to find that.
All right.
And here we go.
So, Star-Lord.
Nice patch. Nice patch.
We have our pin.
And here comes pin. Ever heard of to open pin? Oh, watch out. Press knife coming out.
Okay, and the pin is Gamora.
Coming in the screen. There we go. Nice pin.
I can't get it straight.
There you go. There we go.
All right.
Nice pin.
All right. So,
Always nice pin.
cheat sheet
Cheat
for
sheet.
later.
Cheat sheet for later. Get rid of the cheat sheet. Don't
Comic.
Ooh.
Secret Empire.
Secret Empire.
We have Groot and Rocket on the front.
Mm-hmm.
Number 0
variant.
Cool.
Nice comic.
We have T-shirt.
Ooh, okay. That's the T-shirt. Nice color on the T-shirt. Got some black, some blue, some red, and for Volume 2, we've got the whole cast. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2.
Nice
Look
t-shirt.
at them all. Nice T-shirt. Guns a-blazing.
Okay.
What else is in the box?
2 items left.
2 items.
First one is Rocket with Groot on his head there.
There he is. Baby Groot on the head. So we've got our Marvel Collector's Corp exclusive pop vinyl Rocket with Baby Groot. That's cute. It's definitely cute.
Okay, last thing in the box.
And last but not least,
it's big.
It's big.
It's huge.
It's huge.
I can't get it out.
What's it gonna be?
It's adorbs.
Ooh, Star-Lord with the Milano. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Number 27, Star-Lord with the Milano. What a nice looking Dorbs. Dorbs rides. Got him inside. Flying around. Whee!
Okay.
Impressive box. Impressive box.
So if we are to recap, we got
the patch.
the patch with Star-Lord.
The Star-Lord.
We
the
have
Pin, the
the
deadliest woman in the whole galaxy.
That's what they say.
That's what they say. Gamora.
Upside down
Upside
Gamora.
down Gamora. Gamora. Not going to come in clear, but there she is.
Okay, comic book.
We have the comic book.
Secret
They
Empire.
jam out to the mixtape, Volume 2.
We have the T-shirt.
We have the T-shirt.
Really nice T-shirt.
The whole crew is here. Drax, Yolanda, Mantis, Rocket, Groot. Whole bunch of them. All there. Nice color to it.
The Pop.
The Pop. MCC's first 2-character pop. So you got the 2 of them in it. First one.
I believe both of them are bobbleheads. Both the little Groot and the Rocket. Okay. And a really cool piece is the Doors. Star-Lord with the Milano.
So you can't beat that. So that's a pretty damn good box. We've got our Guardian of the Galaxy Volume 2. Volume 1 was a half-decent box of 2. Kind of different. It was a winter one that came with the scarf for them back then. But I think I like this one a whole lot more. I love the T-shirt. The Dorbs is really cool. And next time around, we're looking at
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man Homecoming.
Spider-Man
does whatever a spider can.
Spins away just in time. See ya.
Thanks for watching. See ya.